Hello students, welcome to examsroad.com. This is Uttam Tiwari presenting you chemistry short tricks. Okay, so in the first short trick we had discussed the increment in carbon level. Video and subscribe our channel to get notification for our latest video. So let's get into the topic. So in the first half of the video we had discussed the increment. Okay, I told you have to activate the group by chlorination and उसके बाद हम लोगों ने कोरी हाउस सिंथेसिस we have discussed and here we'll be discussing decrement कि अगर 2 से 3 चाहिए तो I told you कोरी हाउस सिंथेसिस 2 से 4 चाहिए I told you Woods reaction. Okay, here we will be discussing अगर 3 दे रखे हैं या 2 दे रखे हैं तो how will be transforming it and reducing it. ठीक है, डिक्रीमेंट कैसे करेंगे. तो गाइज हेडिंग डालना इसमें डिक्रीमेंट इन कार्बन लेंथ चेन. डिक्रीमेंट इन कार्बन चेन. Okay guys, so how will we doing? If I have CS3, CS2, CS3, I just have to do halogenation. I mentioned that if you haven't seen my chlorination and all the videos I had recently uploaded about haloalkanes and haloarenes, that is damn useful because in the organic conversion we generally need the first chapter to be very strong. Okay, so you just have to do chlorination Cl2. Okay, in the presence of H mu, replace one hydrogen by chlorine. It will be CS3, CS2, CS2, Cl. Okay, next what you have to treat it with aqueous KOH. Okay, so here you will substitute OH with the chlorine. You will be getting CS3, CS2. You have to do, it's very simple, just stay tuned. Just what you have to do, treat it with the oxidizing agents like strong oxidizing agent which is KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, concentrated HNO3. These are some strong oxidizing agent. What they do, they transform 1 degree alcohol directly to the carboxylic acid. ओके तो ये हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, CH3, CH2, COOH मिल गया. अब हमें क्या करना है, इसका डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन करना है. पहले NaOH के साथ ट्रीट कराना है तो ये हो जाएगा सॉल्ट CH3, CH2, COONA. करेक्ट. अब नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू ट्रीट इट विथ डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन. सोडा लाइम, if you remember, NaOH plus CaO, soda lime Na2CO3. तो क्या करेंगे, नेक्स्ट पेज वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग. ओके, तो क्या कहां तक पहुंचे थे हम, CS3, CS2, COONA. इसको NaOH के साथ ट्रीट कराएंगे वापस तो क्या दे देगा, क्या हटा देना है हमें, Na2CO3, Na2CO3, Na2, 2 Na, CO3. ओके, CO3, Na2CO3. तो क्या बन जाएगा, CS3, CS2, ये हटा एंड CaO. ओके, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, CS3, प्रोपेन से हमें क्या मिल गया, एथेन. ओके, दिस वाज द कन्वर्जन फ्रॉम प्रोपेन टू एथेन. लेट मी मेक यू रिवाइज गाइज वेरी सूनली. लिसन व्हाट यू हैड डन राइट नाउ, just you have to activate it by chlorination. One hydrogen will be substituted with the chlorine and then you have to treat with aqueous NaOH. In the presence of aqueous NaOH, this is the substitution reaction and that will be substituted with the OH and we have got 1 degree alcohol and 1 degree alcohol is directly converted to carboxylic acid by using the strong oxidizing agent, which is KMnO4, K2Cr2O7 and concentrated HNO3. You can use among any one. Okay, and then what we have to do, we will treat it with the NaOH and will make the salt of it. Okay, and then you will treat with the soda lime, and which is NaOH in the presence of NaOH and CaO. Okay, and what you will be doing, Na2CO3 will be out, will make it as a byproduct. Na2CO3 be out and will get CH3CH3. So homework question is ethane butane to propane. So thank you so much for looking my trick. Okay, so if you hadn't watched my first trick, you just go to the channel playlist and watch the memory tips. Okay, so in the next video we'll be discussing some more tricks. In the next video I'll be coming with the how to convert the single bond to double bond and double bond to triple bond. So for getting short trick steps, video and study material in PDF format, then follow our channel, which is t.me/examsroad. That's all for today. Examsroad.com, bringing excellence for students.